Hey guys, geometry rules. So today we're going to be practicing how to draw and measure angles. So I have some colors, my protractor, and a straight edge. First of all, we're going to practice how to measure angles. Here we have an angle XYZ, and we want to know what it measures. Here you can see the X, Y at the vertex, and the Z. But there's something that's missing. We have to know, what angle am I talking about? Am I talking about the inside angle or the outside angle? Well, in this case, I'm going to actually make you measure this inside angle, X, Y, Z. If I don't show this little line right here, we wouldn't know which angle we're talking about. So first you take the compass, the protractor, and you find the center mark. You're going to put the center mark on the vertex of your angle. The other part that's important on your compass is where 0 is, and you're going to have one of your rays go from the vertex through 0. Once you find 0, you have to look at the protractor and see how to measure up, going through 10, 20, 30, etc. As you can see, there are always two sets of numbers. So you have to make sure which set you are reading as you are measuring your angle. Here we go. So we align the vertex on the center, the first line that goes perfectly through 0, and I measure this angle as 10, 20, 30, goes past 90. It is to 113 degrees. I always make this little symbol to show that it is degrees. So as you guys see, on my protractor, 113 degrees is all the way over to here, 113 degrees. I was measuring on the inside, so I could see that it was between 110 and 120. On the opposite side, on the outside, I see 70 and 60. So this is where you have to be really careful that you're reading the correct numbers. All right, so here we see our second angle, angle PQR. And again, you can see I have an angle that is drawn, but I'm not showing which angle I'm talking about. We have the inside angle, and we have the outside angle. So to make things a little bit more fun, we're going to be measuring this outside angle. Outside angle, PQR. So I'm going to make the curve to show you that I want you to measure that angle. Okay? This type of angle is called a reflex angle. That means it is greater than 180, but less than 360. When you have a protractor that is a full protractor like this that goes to 360 degrees, it's really easy to use because you have all of the degrees. If not, you can use a half protractor and also find it by adding the two parts. Okay, so here we go. I put my protractor with the vertex on the center. This time, I'm starting on the 0 that's on the opposite side. I'm going to read my protractor as it goes up through 10, 20, 30. I'm looking at the numbers on the outside. I'm going around to find the other ray, but here I have a problem. The other ray is too short. So what do I need to do? I have to extend this line so I'll be able to measure it. So whenever you have a small angle, what do you have to do? Extend the line, extend the ray, so that you'll be able to measure it. There we go. Okay, so again, vertex, 0, follow the numbers, and I'm able to measure here that it is a 311 degree angle. 311 degree angle. So as we can see, also with our eyes, that it is reflex. It's less than 360 and greater than 180. And this angle we see here, 113, we can also see with our eyes that it is an obtuse angle. Okay, so the second part of today is how to draw an angle. How do we draw an angle? Well, first, you have to know what the angle you want to draw is. So our first angle is going to be an acute angle. We'll draw a 55 degree angle. Draw a 55 degree angle. Okay, so the first step is you have to draw the first ray, wherever you want it to be. Most people draw it to the right, so we can draw it to the right just for this first angle. You make it however long you want it to be, just as long as it will go through your protractor. Make the center point, the vertex, you make the ray. Use your protractor, place it On the center point, read the numbers. Here I'm on the inside, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 is between 50 and 60. So my point is here. Draw the outside point. Then with your ruler, you connect the vertex to the outside point with a ruler. The last step is always to draw this little curve to show that this is the angle that I'm talking about. That is our 55-degree angle. Good? Okay, so now what about if I want to draw a larger angle? If I want to draw an angle that is, let's say, 195 degrees. Well, we follow the same steps. So first step is draw the first ray. I'm going to make this one in a different direction just to make it fun. I make a point for the vertex, the ray on that arm. I place my protractor on, center point, 0, and I measure it. 0, 10, 20, 30, going around until I find where is 190, 195. I make the point. I connect my second ray through the vertex. And my last step is showing the curve to mark this 195-degree angle. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any videos that you want to see or any questions, math tutorials, just write that down below in the comment box. So thanks. Have a great day.